Remove the rear cover of the motor. Insert the 2 mounting cloths into the stator mounting slots. And clamp the stator. Align the stator and mounting cloths with the motor screw holes. Insert them into the tail end of the motor and screw the 4 fixing screws in halfway. Then adjust the motor 0 point. Align it with the 0 point. And tighten the fixing screws. Push the rotor into the motor shaft and rotate the shaft too. Align the 0 points of the stator and rotor. Press in the gasket, screw in the set screw, and tighten. Pass the lead wire through the outlet hole of the rear cover. Close the rear cover and tighten the fixing screws.